Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Learning with Zargul. In this video I tell you about interesting facts of animals. Did you know a chameleon's tongue is almost as long as its body? A snail can sleep for 3 years. Slug has 4 noses. Giraffe have no vocal cords. A moth has no stomach. Ants never sleep, also they don't have lungs. Cats can't taste sugar, they don't have sweet taste buds. Bees get sleepy after drinking nectar and occasionally take naps on flowers. Bats are the only mammals that can fly. Butterflies taste with their feet. Camels have 3 eyelids to protect their eyes from sand. Cockroach can live for a week without its head. Dolphins sleep with one eye open. The elephant is the only mammal that can't jump. Giraffe is the only animal that cannot make any sound. Giraffe can clean its ear with its tongue. Hummingbird is the only bird which can fly backwards. Octopus has 3 hearts. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. Hope you like all these interesting facts about animals. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.